Join me today as I prepare all of the ingredients for a soup. And this soup is formerly known as the Sacred Heart Diet Plan soup, or maybe even the Atkins diet. And you may or may not be familiar with that. But I will leave all of the instructions and ingredients and the 7-day diet plan in the description. You will definitely lose at least 15 pounds in 7 days. I know this is true because I've done this diet 3 times. And I wouldn't say it if it wasn't true, if it didn't work. I don't consider this a long-term diet plan, even though there are days you can eat plenty of other foods. I will have the 7-day meal plan in the description, which does include days that you can eat plenty of steak. It is important to know that you have to eat this soup every day for 7 days. You'll never feel hungry because you can eat as much as you like following the 7-day plan. And the more you eat, the more weight you will lose. After you read all of the instructions, and if you decide to do this plan, just remember I am not a doctor and I am not a dietitian. I only know from experience that this diet plan does work and you are guaranteed to lose between 15 and 20 pounds in 7 days. This soup does require a lot of prep work, but it is very, very good and you will enjoy it. Just follow the diet exactly as the plan tells. If you want to take off just a few pounds to get swimsuit ready or just feel better or healthier, this is the plan for you. You'll need a very large pot to cook all of this in. I'm using my pressure cooker, which is very large because I'm adding over a gallon of water plus the other liquids. And after you get that all in the pot, cook that on high for about 10 minutes and then lower the temperature and simmer until all the vegetables are tender. Remember, the more you eat, the more you lose. See you next time.